Hi, today I'm going to talk with you about my everyday carry. The first item in my carry is my phone. I usually carry it in my front right pocket. The phone is a Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. I have it for a year now and it's great. It is part of the Android One program, so the software is very similar to the Google Pixel lineup. I carry my phone in a Spigen rugged armor case. And I also have a cheap Amazon screen protector and some random sticker on the back camera. Next up, I have my wallet always with me. I carry it in my front left pocket, and it is a Bellroy card sleeve in the color black. It is very slim and it can handle everything I need in my daily routine. On the front section of the wallet, I carried my debit card protected by an RFID card from iClick. In the back, I carry some cash, and in the middle, I carry my driver's license, ID, some other cards, and a coin tray from Slimpuro. In Europe, it is impossible to get away without coins, and I found out that for me this is the best way to carry them. In my back pocket, I carry my keys and keychain. The first thing I'm going to talk about is my knife. It is very small, but it does everything I need to do, mainly open packages. It is the Dapper 100 model from Keysmart, and I really like this tiny keychain knife. The blade length is 4.4 cm or 1.75 inches. It is enough for all my needs. Although my phone has a flashlight, it isn't always practical to use it. So I also carry with me a tiny keychain flashlight, the Lite I1R EOS. It takes up little space and is rechargeable by a USB. And you can see by the wear that I've been using this for some time. The whole Lite has two modes, 5 lumens or 130 lumens. Next up, I have my multi-tool of choice, the Gerber Shard. It is cheap and functional, and it's all I need. The things I use the most are the bottle opener, the Phillips, and the flat driver. I've wrapped it in some paracord so it gets more comfortable to carry and use. One thing I can live without nowadays is the Orbitkey 2.0. Mine is the active black, and I love the way it carries my keys. I also carry Nite Kingston USB flash drive, and another multi-tool, the Orbitkey one. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more. See you next time.